Go to Documents. Open Rockstar Games folder. Open GTA 5 folder. Select the settings file. Right-click it. Move your mouse to Open With and choose Notepad. Click on Edit. Click on Find. Write DX and press Enter. In DX version value, change the value from 2 to 0. Click on File and click on Save and close the file. Now go to the game folder. Select D3D compiler. Right-click it. Click on Delete. Select D3D CSX. Right-click it. Click on Delete. And also update your drivers. And restart your computer. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.